Hello guys, welcome to Can of Python. In this video, we will learn about the Win type in rolling windows. Okay, so let's go ahead and we'll see how this will work. And we have different Win types. Okay, Win types mean that is a Windows type. Okay, so we'll see some of them. We have lots many Win type, and we'll see the difference between those with type, right? So I have already import the package that is pandas, and I have created the data frame, right? Consists of the two columns a and b, right? And now we'll see how the win type will work. So data dot rolling will put the this windows size is 2, right? Now we have this win type, right? So win type, let's say we'll put first that is boxcar, and let's say we want to do the sum, right? If you execute, you can see here that sum is occurred. Okay, I will take one more win type so that you will understand the difference between those win type, Windows type, right? So Windows equals to, let's say, 2, and here I will put win type. Let's say we'll put the Gaussian, right? Gaussian, and we'll do the sum. Here we need to put the standard deviation, so let's say we'll put the 1. Okay, if you execute, you can see here that the in this code we put the win type, that is boxcar, right? And here we put the Gaussian. Okay, so you can see here the difference between and we did the sum, right, in here and here as well. But one more attribute, we can say parameter, we need to put, that is standard deviation, right? You can see here here we are getting sum, that is 26.47, and here we are getting 30, right? So you can see how here the difference between the two win type, that is boxcar and Gaussian, right? Okay, hope this will make sense, guys. Here we have some backend work, means how this will come. So if you want that, please let me know so that I will make the video accordingly, right? So we have I will explain one more win type here, that is exponential. Data dot rolling windows size equals to 2, and win type I will explain, that is exponential here, right? And here I will do this sum, and here I need to pass the tau equals to, let's say, 1. You can see this sum we are doing here, right? And the difference is much larger. You can see here the difference between this two, this 30 and this 26, is lower. You can see the difference, that is lower, and here the difference is much larger, right? 18.19 and here 26.47. So this is the win type. If you want to calculate the win type with the exponential, or if you want to calculate with the boxcar or Gaussian, we have much more. I will show you. If you put the cursor over here and if you press the shift and tab continuously, you will get the brief information about the win type, right? So if you scroll down, you can see here these are the types, that is win type: boxcar, triangle, right? This black man, and you can see here that in the Gaussian we need this STD, that is standard deviation, right? And in exponential we need tau, right? Okay, so you can try this for the practice. This all are, we have the win type, that is Windows type, right? Hope this will make sense, guys. And you can see the difference between those win types, and you can plot that accordingly. If you want to plot this, let's say this I'll put this data underscore 1. Okay, and let's say we'll plot this one. How this will looks like, means the in the analysis, if you want to do analysis between these two win type, so we can do that as well. So simply Okay, we have data underscore one, this Gaussian bin type, right? And data we have put with the this exponential, right? So let's say data underscore one dot plot. If you plot this, you can see here that this will looks like. And what about the data dot plot, right? You can see here the difference. You can see here the graphs is looks like the same, but this is going till 60, right? And you can see here that this is going till 100, right? So this is the difference between the see, we took the random points, right? But if you if you have the millions of data, and from that you want to do the analysis with the rolling windows, okay, so that is a better way to analyze and see the difference between the windows type, right? So we took the random points. You can see here in the data set we have put the 1 2 3 4 5 till 6, and here as well we have put the random points, right? So if you have the data, uh, so in that case you can analyze with this wind type, right? Hope this will make sense, guys. In the next tutorial we'll see some more stuffs in the pandas, right? If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel for more motivation. Thank you, guys.